my dad just opened the thing, so once you open it, it's first pretty hard, and then once you open it, it gets easier. So I'm gonna put in her medallion, Rarity's medallion. I'm trying to make it even, and then Rarity's charm. Ah! Oh man, all the things fell off. Oh man. Well, gotta put everything back on. Well, it kind of gets harder once you actually do it. Okay. Put it. Oh man. Okay, now where's that medallion? Where did the medallion? Okay, it's down on the chair. Okay, now I'm gonna put the medallion on. And then the charm. Come on, charm. Okay. And then I can close it. And then once you actually close it, it opens more easily. Actually, I think maybe. Ooh. Okay, so it does a little bit. It just gets easier and easier while you open it. And if you want to switch out the pony, you can. Oop, that's wrong. So if you want to switch out the pony, you can pop out the pony and do another one. So the ponies are rare, but we already got 2. This isn't a good sample. Okay, I'm going to take one of my garbage pieces, and then I'm going to pop them. So this is why they call them squishy pops. This side looks really weird on Rudy, but still it looks good on this side. So this is why they call them squishy pops. They're squishy, and then listen. Oh, that's really, really bad. Let's do this cardboard here, which I'm going to keep. Okay, listen. Oh man, it's not working with Rarity. So that's why they call them squishy pops. And you can switch out the pony with your bracelet, and I'm going to get more of these blind bag thingies. They're like circles at Toys R Us. I was going to get like Shopkins there, but they're not there. They all sold out. So, bye. Bye. Oh, drop the pony. Okay, I'm going to pop these. I'm going to give you one more example. Bye. Oh my gosh. Oh man. Bye.